Hi guys, we're up in the top. We finished sheeting down below, so now we've got it sealed all down below, and we want to do the upstairs. So we're putting in insulation, which is a product from the sellers from China. It's 50 millimeters thick. Doesn't look 50 millimeters, but
maybe it'll
expand.
Yeah, it's quite thick. Oh.
So yeah, just cutting the rock wall. Okay, and yeah, that's it. We're insulating and sheeting the upstairs of the inside of the tower.
So you're just kind of cutting what you need that will goes in between this.
Yeah.
Wood. So it came in 2 bundles in one order, or you place to order and then they send it to you, because there's 2 in.
Yeah, I ordered 2.
Ah, okay.
2 rolls. I forget how many meters are in a roll, but it's 600 wide by about, I'm not
600
sure.
wide?
60 centimeters, 600 millimeters, 2 feet. 2 feet. I'm dealing with the Filipino, they don't know 600 millimeter.
No, they know. I don't know because I'm not a carpenter.
I don't know. I don't understand 600.
What's wrong with you?
What's 600?
I'm not a carpenter, my dear.
600
I'm a
miles, 600 kilometers.
housewife.
So confusing.
Of course, I'm not a carpenter. My gosh, don't expect.
How long have
too
you been
much
working
from
with me for? We've been doing measurements, cutting, and everything. You can't use that as an excuse, my dear.
Centimeter?
It's no excuse anymore. You have no excuse. You should know better.
Really? He don't like me asking him.
You just like to be a
What?
a blonde.
We don't say that. I'm videoing you. I'm gonna upload this.
You just like to be
No, Bray.
drama queen.
I'm just asking you so that you explain it in my video. That's it. I'm not being dumb blonde. If that's what you mean.
You can put these offcuts
On the sides. Corner.
Up in there.
Yeah. Okay. I'll do that.
Too late.
Too late. I'll do it.
No, not too late.
Here you go. So we're planning to put air condition in this cottage one day, Brian said. Especially some days, like today, it's very hot day. Even we have a bit of a wind. I mean, fair bit of wind. And the wind changed from the east. It's now kind of, I should say, southwest. Ta-da! That's east, that's west, that's south. So it's kind of, oh yeah, south. Yeah, it's about south. So we have a low pressure apparently, and it's it's cloudy up in the mountains over there. Looks like it's raining. It kind of tried to rain this morning, isn't it, Bri? Yeah. Everything is nice and green. We have rain last night, all night, almost. Okay, Brian's doing an overtime. Looking very nice, the room. Ta-ra! So we're just gonna do painting. You okay?
I'm okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm working overtime.
And you don't mind?
No, special treatment overtime.
What special treatment? I don't get those.
I get, like, you know,
What?
bonuses.
Your bonuses? Nothing
Or
comes
do
free?
you get the bonus?
Bone. What, boneless?
Less. You get the bonelessness.
Oh dear. Oh dear. So today we did, this is the last one. So we did 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth side of sheeting. So it's quite a big job for us for today. Usually we only do 3. 1, 2, 3. Like yesterday we did 3 sides. And look what's going on outside. It's raining. Is it a fairy rain? How you call it? Fairy shower?
Very pissed.
Oh, very pissed. What? Okay. Ooh, I better not step on those things. I just broke one piece. Little piece. I better help Ryan.
Oh, it's okay.
So what he did the cutting. I didn't video. So what we do, ouch, I didn't film it today because we just focusing on doing the work as fast as we can. So yeah, I'm helping him out with nailing, isn't it, Pa? And then I did just a little piece that there, so I can do little piece only, measuring and cutting, but the rest Brian have to do it because it's a bit of an engineering chore. Yeah, it's true. So you look in here, you have to cut it, you know, perfectly, that it would fit perfectly. And yeah, I can't do those things. No, only this one. So this small piece, and then yeah. So it's 6 o'clock already. Working very late. We just wanna do that one. It's the last piece, and also on the side of the door. I measured it already. It's 6 inches. No, not inches. I'm terrible. Metric centimeter. Is it right? The bottom.
Centimeters.
Yeah, 6 centimeter. That there. Yeah. See?
Millimeters.
Oh, millimeter. See? 6 or
6 centimeters.
6. There you go. Uh-oh. Don't break it, Leia. Hi guys, good morning. Back to work. Brian's just finishing the sides now. The last section that has not been sheeted yet. And ta-da! That's my morning job. Painting the walls. That's a undercoat paint. And it's extremely humid today. same as yesterday and the day before. So we have the fan going today because we finally cleaned the floor from dust. So yeah.
Make a noise?
Brian just cutting the last piece. We have a fairy pist. Is that how you call it? Fairy pist? Because it's a very light rain. Just enough to wet the leaf, the trees. And our mango tree has got a lot of fruits. So this time of the year, a lot of plants are flowering. You probably can see the poinciana and that tall one there. I don't know the name of that, but it's also flowering. It has a white flower. Also the frangipani's. Well, frangipani's flowers all year round, isn't it? I think so. Sort of.
Maybe.
Bougainvilleas. Let's keep working. So Brian's just putting some glue. We run out of the other glue, the red one. I don't know what is called. What do you call the other one? The red one.
Pioneer. No more nails.
No more nails.
It's just a construction adhesive. If you use it on your hardy flex and nail as well as gluing it to the wall, it acts as a bracing panel for typhoon.
Very good. Okay, let's back to work.
Hi guys, back again, and we're into the painting. We've hardy flexed the inside and now we're about to paint the inside. Leah's putting the white full gloss. We're putting a strip of Amacan in where the windows strip of Amacan all the way around, the same height as this window as well, so it will go all the way around, and it'll be like the outside. The outside's got a strip of Amacan as well. So yep, we're getting there. We will be sleeping here tonight. We're going to try it out.
Yay!
Yay!
Ow, my legs.
Brought our inflatable bed, so we'll put it underneath the window here. That's where the bed's going to go. So
is it queen size bed you ordered?
It's just a double.
Okay. It'll be interesting.
So yeah, I'm standing where the bed is now, so that's our view from the bed. So it should be glorious. So we might put an aircon in here. Not sure yet. There's a space up in here where a box aircon could go. It's about 500 by 400 between the noggings, so that would fit a 1 horsepower inverter box aircon. Alright, that's it. Back to the painting. Say bye.